Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna say you this tool called Frog, which allow us to extract text from the images. So this is very useful tool. So let's open our terminal and let's zoom a little bit. You can do snaps search. You can see the frog, so we are gonna use this. So you can do sudo snap install so frog, and let's type my password. Let's wait for it to just download it. Let me just show you the text that we are gonna extract is gonna be the text. So this is from the Wikipedia, and let me just enlarge a bit. So we have this, right? So, and let's close it, and let's open the frog. So now we can do the open image or take a screenshot. So you can do just let me just do my Google. So we have this Wikipedia page, right? So here so we can do take a screenshot, right? Can't take a screenshot, that's fine. So if it does not do that, so I think uh we need to preference. So we have copy the keyboard. So here is the general setting. So I could just do open an image. So what we have is this. uh, let's wait for it to just uh, uh, to extract the image, extract the text. So it's saying it's loading right here. So I could just do this. Let's make it bigger. For some odd reason it just crashed. That's because I used from the terminal. So here we have the permission denied, right? So let me just try that again. So open the image, and so let's wait for it. So now it has successfully uh, got the text from the image. So then you can just do this and just copy that in clipboard. So text copied, it's right here. So thank you guys.